Hello there, YouTube. If you've been reading my Instagram posts lately, you'll know what this is. This is my smoke alarm that I got off of eBay. So we're going to do the unboxing now. And if I could find my scissors, they've been missing for a few days now. Can't seem to find them. You know what? I'll be right back. I need to go get some scissors. Okay, I got some nice big heavy-duty scissors. Now I'm using my old camera that I used to use, my GVC camera, simply because the camera on my phone has for some reason stopped working temporarily. I don't exactly know why. So, let's just cut this open. I remember to charge this thing, and you know, they kind of wrapped it in this nice wrapping, and here it is. Notice this is the SA120 with the EscapeLight. So now the model number is cut off of it, the place where the model number would be, right here. And here's a price tag of some kind. See, this one right here, this price tag says $29.87. This one says $24.97. Oh, but it says $29.87 right there. That's a sale price. Oh, okay. So, it is still sealed, just like how the SA120 was. So, I guess we'll open it from here. Oh, yeah. I'll go this way so you can see. And notice it's in that holder, just like how the SA76RS, the SA76RC. Sorry, I'm kind of confused now. So, let's open it up. And we get some, looks like warranty registration. Here's a commercial, or an advertisement. Let me hold it right side up actually for you. Advertisement for a gas detector. Kind of like how in the SA120's box there was an advertisement for that, what was it, the lighting thing. And here's the manual. Model SA120. And here it is, the detector itself. First alert. Model SA120. This one's label is red. I've never seen that before. And, ew, yeah. As usual, the batteries all exploded. But it did come with batteries. Right here. Oh yeah, they're both really corroded. In fact, I can see the cells on this one. They're the old Mallory Duracell batteries. Well, they're kind of bulged at the ends. Oh yeah, this one's terminal is like loose. You can see it right there. Okay, let's open it up. See what we have here. Okay, here's the mounting hardware. Whoa, look at that horn. It's red. And it's the old style with the 3 holes, like on the SA76RC series. That is weird. I've never seen that. On Enlin's video, his has the newer electronic one. Let me get it out. His has this horn, except of course without that. Never seen this before, and it's red. I've never seen that. And of course this one has the tiered test button, There were some that had the dome test buttons. And then there's the light. And of course it has the sensor, the same sensor as the SA120. Here's the mounting hardware. And here's the cover. As you can see, it has the lens for the light. And this is the one that has a bunch of vents on the sides. It has more vents, and it has more sections also. It doesn't have the 6 sections that they were known for. Let me see, how many sections does it have? Let me put the cover back on. So yeah, they must have been going with red here for some reason, because you got a red horn, red label. It's weird. Now they also made, let's see, they also made a version with a white dome test button, and that was model SA125. And it was the same thing as this one, of course, just it was SA125, so really don't understand that. Yeah. So, let's get some batteries, and I think I have 2 right here. And this one takes 2 batteries. Let me open it up, take off the cover again. It takes 2 batteries. I don't know which one is which, but... So let's put the battery in. There's one. And now this might go off. Yep, it went off just very briefly. Okay, let's put the cover on. And let's test it. Well, it would help if I put the cover fully on. Okay, let's test it. Okay. Well, the pulsing, it pulses. I don't know how well you can hear. It does pulse, but the off time is very, very short. Like even shorter than the SA120. Oh, the cover's still not snapped on fully. Let's do it again. The light's pretty bright too. I don't know. Test it right side up for you. Yeah, it's a very fast pulse as well. It's much faster than any other that I've heard. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the shade and the curtain. Let's see how bright this thing actually is. Here we go. Okay, that was weird. Try that again. So yeah, it's pretty bright, actually. Okay, let's open up the shades again. This is a pretty strange detector, though. Okay, so, yeah. Let's open it back up. You can see the big mark from the batteries right there. So now let's see which one of these batteries is the one for the light. Let's take this one off. I think this one is the battery for the light. Yeah, it still is. I saw the LED flash. Notice how the LED is steady on. Let me put the battery back in. The LED is steady on when the battery is, or when it's testing. It's pretty strange. And then of course there's the light again, as I said, and the horn, and the sensor. Now, I'm going to put the cover back on, and let's look at some of this stuff. Here's the 2 batteries, as I said. And there's a big, this is the holder that it came in. Okay, here's the manual. Let's take a look at the manual now. Okay, there's the place for the, let me turn the, that on. I don't know how well you can see this. But if you want to read anything, just pause it. I'm not going to bore you with all this. Other side. So yeah. And like I said, the user, well, I actually didn't say this yet, but the user still has 3 of these left. I only ordered 1. The manual, surprisingly, is only for model SA120. It's not for model SA125, which, as I mentioned, was the version of this with the white dome test button. Now, I've never seen an SA120 in person until now. I did, however, see an SA125. A few years ago, when I was in 5th grade, we went on a field trip to this old building. It was like a, I don't know, it was by the Chesapeake Bay. I guess it was a museum of some kind on the islands of the Chesapeake Bay, I think. And upstairs there was a flight of stairs. And up the stairs I looked and I saw this detector right on the wall. And it looked a little bit bigger, so I don't know. But I saw it up there on the wall at the top of the stairs. And I noticed it looked like it had a dome test button. And so, or a white domed test button, so, I figured out it was a different model. It was the SA125, so. And of course these light bulbs are replaceable. Well, let's look at the box. Okay, here's the front of it, of course, with the family and everything. And the detector on the box doesn't have as many side vents. So, yeah, and of course they cut off the first word, alert, and the model number was up here too. Here's the back of it. And the side. And the other side. And the top. There's the side with the installation. Let's see. So, this is pretty cool. I definitely did not expect that red horn. So yeah, here's the inside of the cover. And there's the light lens and everything. Other than that, and the fact that it has more side vents and more sections, it's basically the same as the SA76 RC. So yeah, let's put the cover back on. Okay, snapped it in all the way. And test. Test it again. I don't know how well you can see, but the LED is steady lit. Let's put it down and test it. I think you can see it. Let me move these scissors and this. It's not that loud either. It's just more kind of, I don't know. The pulsing is definitely very different. I mean, on Enlin's video of the SA120, it was much normal BRK pulse. But this is very interesting. And this one was probably made earlier since it has the older style horn, and I'm not sure about the red label. Just really quickly, let me get you a good shot of the label. Of course, it has 1 microcure of americium. There's that S-1208 that's on every single first alert detector. So yeah, there you go. That's my first alert SA120. Thank you for watching, and expect much more to come soon. Goodbye.